Well, g'day viewers, Grazer, and welcome to another episode. And yeah, we've just knocked off work and we've come out to Lake Eppalock and to see whether we might be able to chase down a fish or two. Yeah, lake has been pretty tough fishing wise, so but that said, we're going to go out and see whether we can chase down a golden. Might even come across a few redfin, but we've very much got a bit of a front coming across, so I'm hoping that might stir up the fish a little bit. But anyway, we're going to go out and flick some lures. We're going to head out to the east side of the lake and see whether we can track one down, so stay tuned. Yeah, so Lake Eppalock, she's been a tough gig. So yeah, shut down right down for winter. Reddies, even the winter redfin have been tough to find. We've had some mild weather leading into that today, but yeah, we've got a change coming over. We've got the bimmy on, so if it does rain, we'll put that up. But we've got a bit of an easterly coming through, which is not great. But I'm hoping the fish. I'm hoping this front coming across, we're just in front of this front, so I'm hoping that might stir things up a little bit. Yeah, apologies for the wind, there's going to be a bit of wind around today, but yeah, we're going to zoom across, get to the east side, probably use some of those east banks to sort of protect ourselves from the wind a little bit. Yeah, and we'll try a few different lures and see whether we can stir things up. Anyway, we'll get going, eh? Alright, we're into it. So all we're going to do is we're going to focus on these edges to begin with. I'm hoping they're going to be pushing up into these edges and nice fish jumping in front of us. We've got plenty of those sort of spindly looking trees around, there's a bit of vegetation. We're going to sort of focus on that sort of anywhere to 3 to sort of 6 metres of water. We're going to use a little hard body today. I haven't been using many hard bodies out here of late. So we've got a little AC Invader here. We'll dive pretty deep, which will sort of get us down right into that sort of target areas. I'm also going to use just the old faithful yellow belly bait, which is the gulp grub, which I'll be mainly sort of just using for that vertical fishing if we do see a couple of yellows under the front of the boat. Got the stinger on that, got our little TN60 jackal, and yeah, we'll start with those. There we go. We'll just move along. We've got the active target in the water so we can have a good look around. We've probably got about 2.5 hours of fishing if it doesn't piss down rain. Yeah, we'll get into it. We'll start pushing up and we'll see how we go. Right, we'll get this Minn Kota going. We're just going to slowly push into this breeze. Just cast at different depths, see what's happening. Might see a fish or two on our way, which we'll definitely have a crack at. You see it? Let's hope it's going to be a good afternoon. Clarity is in good shape, which is good. Certainly we should be able to see this lure. Got him. Oh, nice ready. Nice ready. Oh, a bit of a fight. Yeah, that's a ripper. Might net that one. Not a bad fish. Got him. There we go. One. There we go. Nice ready. You'll be pushing 30 plus that one. Just took that gulp grub. It's got a nice couple of nice fillets on that. I think we'll keep that one. We'll put him in the creel. All right, time to move on. Just the one fish in there. We're going to stick to the edges for a little while longer. Just going to move a little bit further on in this bay. We'll keep going. Pretty much got an area here. We've got the point off to the left, and that point runs right out. So we actually come up onto this point, which runs right out to this tree at the right here. So yeah, very much that feeding type of drop off. Yeah, hoping there's got to be sitting some fish along that edge. So we're sort of going to just work along there for the moment. We'll see what we see on the sounder, but we'll just keep casting it up with a few different options. So here we go. Thought about it. Put a little bit more sense on that, I think. Bite, that was a bite. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Just going to try something a bit different here. Got another little jig head on here. I might try a different colour. I know in the past the old red bomber's been a good colour for me. I might give that a whirl, I think. We'll sting that around there. So there we go with that. Oh, nearly got him. Oh. There's a big fish following. I'll take it, take it. Didn't commit, didn't commit. Yeah, got him. Got him. There we go. Ripper, ripper. There we go. Not a little one, he's only small. That's okay. There we go. Good stuff. Red bomber, hey? Done the job. Yep, got him. Got him. Oh, he's only small too. Jeez. He's only little. It's alright. You can live another day. So I've just changed up jig head. Sort of getting a few bites, but no, I'm just not hooking up. And I'm just wondering whether that, I've just put a little bit bigger gauge on it. Yeah, see whether that makes any difference. Certainly feeling a bit confident with that one. Yeah, and got that. I'm hooked. We're on. It's only little. Oh shit, little. Jesus. Oh my god. Let go of it, son. Jesus. There we go. It's like we're having fish fingers for tea, Dad. Yep, got him. Yeah. Only another small one. Jesus. They're not getting any bigger, are they? Come on, give me a big one. Did you see that? Oh, that's kamikaze, that is. Yeah, time to move on, I reckon. We've had a bit of fun with the reddies. They're not super aggressive, they're pretty small. Yeah, we sort of get one every sort of dozen casts, I suppose. Yeah, got a little area up here I'm going to try. And then there's two spots I want to try before we've got to shoot back to the ramp. So anyway, we'll move along a little bit. We're not going to go too far, obviously don't want to be travelling much with minimal time left, so we'll keep going. Alright, time to chase a yellow. So we've actually just scanned up a few fish just out here in front of us here, so we're just going to move into this bank. So here we go. Oh, there we go. Nice ready. Good one. Came out of nowhere, that one. Just took it right close to the boat. He's alright. Stuff. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Got to head back to the boat ramp. Yeah, managed to have a bit of fun with a few reddies, which is good. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.